Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check how to enable monetization on Instagram and start earning money. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let me show you the simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Play Store and update your Instagram app to the latest version. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap Professional Dashboard. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Switch Account Type, then select Switch to Creator Account. Finally, tap Switch again to confirm. You'll see the Professional Dashboard, where you can track your performance and get access to monetization features like bonuses and subscriptions when you're eligible. That's it. Your Instagram account is now ready for monetization. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips.